Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If the issues are related to water supply, it may be an issue with your drain line connection. In this case, you should call a plumber. A dishwasher is an investment. To get the most out of it, and to ensure it's working properly, you need a licensed plumber to take a look.
Let's help you make your mark.
Our appliance delivery and installation team make it easier for you to upgrade the kitchen, laundry room and other living spaces. Enjoy free professional delivery and installation services on select appliance purchases $396 or more.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.